Hi guys, Trying Pest Control here. We are on our way to a rat job. We are going to be investigating, seeing where they're coming in, finding out the root causes where they are. It'll be carried out over 3 visits, and then we'll be here now today. With the options of looking at the drainage systems as well. Sometimes we'll use CCTV cameras down the drains, but first of all today let's go and find out what's going on. Trying Pest Control here. So here we're dealing with rather interesting and infested rat problem. As you can tell here, the rats going underneath here. There, probably down below there. This would then be leading up, presumably, speaking up to the attic, but also coming around here and looking into the drain system, which is the main one here. But if you look closely down there and see all the rat breaks, look at that, all the ingress holes where the rats can get in. You can see here, you can see all the scratch marks on there. The rats have come up, going in, and then following this piping, which will probably lead to here, and then up into the house. So these are the issues going on here. Right, cheers guys, Try Pest Control. Hi guys, Try Pest Control here. So here we're on a job now, which was suspected to be mice, what I told you about earlier on, but it's actually turned out to be rats, as you can tell down here, and gaps down here. Now this insulation-y stuff comes from inside. Right there you can see it drops down where they're insulated inside the cavities of the room. So if you look down there, you can see it goes right down, and they've got them then in the upper attic, because we've just been in there. We'll show you up in there. So it's one of those scenarios again, they're coming down in there. So what we've also done is we've got here where up in the insulation, see that? So they can, if they want to squeeze in there, we're putting those to see whether they maneuver them out over the next week or so. Because up then in the attic there's a rat run in the insulation going across to both here and then down, so we can't ignore that. So we're going to investigate further, and that's where we are at the moment. Okay, cheers guys. Right here, so Trying Pest Control here. So we've got the bottoms there baited. We're putting up here, we've gone up above the, this is in the garage, and then above, as you can tell, there's droppings along here. So you know the rats, see there, so they could be networking up. So that's where they could be going up there and up into the attic. So it's covering all the bases there on that now. So they could be going across the tops here and then up and into the attic space. Just guys, Try Pest Control. So we've got this part now we're going to smoke test, direct, up, and then inside anywhere. We've got someone inside checking as well for us, so let's go. So it's going directly in this one, a very good tip. Cleaned all the sewer cover underneath, all inside and out there, so as you can tell, it'll come out the top there. So we're just filling that up now. So, and then as you can see now, starting to come out the top. And we've got someone inside, so we can check where these pipes go. Anything there. So we've got that there. That coming down there. And enough coming out there. And there. So we're going to check there now. And this is where we'll also be checking inside so there's any breaks. So we look along here, there's no smoke coming out here anywhere, so we know nothing's broken here. Now, this doesn't rule out us doing a camera test as well, but usually if smoke's going to come out somewhere. That's why we're going to check inside as well. Then we'll do the other tests here now. Alright, cheers guys. And so here we are, another day, drawing to an end. Another day of pest control, and another day tomorrow to come.